Welcome back. Today, the latest news report about market rates. February 2025 has brought some interesting changes in the construction materials market in Pakistan. Cement prices have seen a slight uptick, with a 50-kilo bag now costing between Rs1,300 and Rs1,400. Leading brands like Bestway and DG Khan are priced around Rs1,380 to Rs1,390, while Fauji and Lucky are slightly lower at Rs1,350 to Rs1,380. If you're looking for the best deal, Flying Pakistan offers bags at Rs1,350. Turning to steel, the market is buzzing with activity. Prices for 40-grade steel are hovering around Rs241,000 to Rs243,000 per metric ton, while 60-grade steel is a bit pricier, ranging from Rs244,000 to Rs248,000. And let's not forget about bricks. A-grade and Awal tiles bricks are going for Rs17,000 per 1,000, while B-grade bricks are at Rs13,000. If you're on a budget, C-grade bricks are available for Rs10,000, and Kingar bricks are priced at Rs14,000. The construction scene is definitely heating up. For details, visit your nearby market. Market rates change every day.